using your new hires, your new staff, and your new systems to get your accounts reinstated. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Okay, Amazon sellers, so human error is the cause of many problems in business, whether it's on Amazon or off Amazon. Amazon has recognized this since the inception of the 3P seller system, and it's always been one of the things that you can argue in the third section of your plan of action, the long-term changes or the systemic changes to your business that you need to point out to Amazon to persuade Amazon staff in India that Amazon can reinstate you without fear that you're not going to have the same problem again. So in this particular case, what our killer paralegal, Chris Toomey, did is he got the detailed information of the new staff that our client hired to make his business run better, to make his business run in a way that he will be better able to comply with Amazon's incredibly high standards. And so by identifying the people, identifying what their roles were, identifying the training that these people were getting and will continue to get on how to be a great Amazon seller, we were able to persuade Amazon to reinstate the account. So if you have a problem on Amazon and you hire somebody new, don't be afraid to use that information. Put it in a killer plan of action. That is just one of the many ways, the many arguments that we make in plans of action that help thousands of Amazon sellers all over the world get their accounts back and get their listings back practically every day of the week. If you want to be successful selling on multi-channels, don't miss Kim Wren from SkuVault. She is going to be talking about the tools that you need to succeed when selling on multi-channel. Make sure your products get listed, make sure they're listed properly, make sure you are up to date on your inventory on February 27, 2022.